Well, where to start? That was the first question which was raised in my mind. People do all the stupid and many good things for the love when they're in love. So I have decided to go for a love story which contains completely what do you do when you're in love, what do you do for that love. So that's the reason I have cut my title as a Pyar Mein in Hindi, Premalo in Telugu. And coming to my cast, I have taken one of my friend Kiran Dhiman as a hero. So one day I called him, I asked him, buddy, I'm going to make a film. Are you interested to act as a hero? So that is how I met him, and I have explained, I have narrated all the story, and he said okay.
So hi, this is Kiran Dhiman, and this is my second short film as a lead actor, and the third short film with Ravi. So Ravi is a very good friend of mine, and one day he called me and he said that he is making a movie and you are the hero of it. And so one day he came to me and he started narrating the script to me and said, and while I was listening to him, I was liking the script, and I immediately said yes.
So one day I got a call from one Kiran, and one of his friend is Sonal Singh. I met her. I told her this is how it would be. This is the story and everything. I have narrated her, and she has accepted to act in my film as a heroine.
Pyar Mein is the second film with Ravi, and so when Ravi narrated the story, then I came to know that it is a love story, and I was confused that whether I should say yes or no. As I was new to this profession, I don't have any experience in this field. It was difficult. So I had to act romantically and lovely with a guy whom I barely know. So it was tough.
She was a stranger to me, and as we started working with each other, there were many scenes where we both were not comfortable with each other, as there were very scenes like we have to come close, and it was very difficult to act. But as we talked and as we met on the locations and all, we built a very good rapport, and now this is it. And we made the whole movie, and it was I can definitely tell you that it was a very good experience with all of them.
We had many night shoots because she is a lady, she has a lot of constraints, but still she came all the way. And Kiran also has some family issues, though he had supported me very well to make this film. For Sonal and Kiran, they don't know anybody each other, they barely don't know each other just. So for them it is very hard for them to act like lovers. They have to show some love. Because these two people are not from professionals, so we had sat together and we had discussed and we had practiced in a room.
And about my co-stars, Sonal Singh, and she's the heroine of the movie, and she's an amazing actor, and she's very sweet and fun-loving.
So Kiran is a very fun-loving person. He used to entertain everybody on the set. Whenever he's not there, we used to call him on the set so that we can enjoy.
Kiran and Sonal both did very well because we had shooted in different locations. Like one day we had a shoot in the morning, early morning. It was last year, 2018, I believe. It was December. The temperature was 6 degrees Celsius. In that we had shooted some scenes. So it was completely chilled out, but they had cooperated.
We have done a morning shoot, night shoot, and at times we had to reach the location before sunrise, which was very, very difficult for me as I love sleeping. So it was tough, difficult, but overall the experience was very lovely. It was a beautiful journey of 2 years with these lovely co-actors, and I enjoyed a lot. I always cherish those moments which I had spent together with them.
They did the best they could do. And as a newcomer, even I don't know much in the direction. And thank you both for giving me such opportunity to me. And thank you very much for believing in me that I could do this film. Thank you very much, Kiran, for your help and support in making this film. And you have arranged a lot of things whenever I required. Thank you very much. And in acting, you have improved a lot, and you did a very good job. Coming to this heroine character, I have requested and met more than 200 girls, and because of a lot of reasons, they have rejected it. And thank you very much to each and every girl because I got the best. Thank you, Sonal. You did the justification to this character. You both did really, really very well. Thank you very much for giving an opportunity to me to direct you both.